All right, moving on to minute section 3. Let me just show you a quick preview. So we just did it. Minute section 3 goes like this. Ta, 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 ta. Now, let me explain. The move is basically just saying step right, tap left, tap right, tap right. Let me just show you, just watch, okay? So I'm doing step right, tap left, tap right, tap right. Now you might be wondering what's the difference between tapping and stepping. Stepping is putting weight on that foot. Tapping is just lightly tapping here, not putting so much weight on it because you want to move on to the next move, which is the actual step. Okay, so just show you here. Weight, tap, weight, tap, weight, tap, weight. Okay, that's how you should think. Now when you do this move, you want to hunch over a bit here and you want to go a bit down the level when you do this. Okay, and the arms are behind your back here. So just try it slowly with me. We're gonna go step right, tap left, tap right, tap right. It's gonna feel more natural when you do it faster, but let's just do it one more time slow here. And we want to start from end of minute section 2, which was this. Okay, so your right is crossing over your left, and you have these pistol fingers. And then from here, we want to go step out on your right. Okay, and then you continue. All right, let's try this. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're gonna step 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, tap left, tap right, tap right. Okay, let's just try that one more time now that we got it. From here, crossing your legs, pistol fingers, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, tap left, tap right, tap right. And then the part after that is basically just doing it to the opposite side. So we ended here to our right side. Now we want to go tap left, tap right, tap left, tap left. Okay, so that's basically just the opposite. Just try to practice that a few times. You're leaning to your right side here. Now you want to say tap left, tap right, tap left, tap left. Just one more detail, small detail. You want to do this arm swinging every time you take a step, all right? So let me just show you here. We're going tap, swing, tap, swing, tap, swing, tap, swing. Okay? Just keep swinging. All right, let me just do a quick recap of minute section 3. So this was end of 2. 3 goes right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, right, tap, left, tap, right, tap, left, tap, left. Now, timing wise, it's actually on the count, but I'm just gonna sing it with the lyrics so it's easy for you to understand. Okay, so it goes on ba. This was the section before. Ba, 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 ba. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in a game too. Okay, let's practice. I think let's do it like I did it, where we practice ba, ba, ba as well. So the bit before we go into the okay? 5. I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go ba, ba, ba. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, 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 ba. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game for 2. Let's just try it one last time, a bit faster. Okay, so from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're gonna start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, 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 ba. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in a game for 2. All right, moving on to minute section 4. Let me just show you a quick preview. So this was end of 3. 4 goes wah, 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 wah. Now let me explain. So this was end of 3. Minute section 4, you want to bring down your right arm, and then you want to use your left arm to say grab, grab, pull all the way and then rotate your body to the side here, okay? Let me rewind. I was here, I did pull, pull, turn, okay? Just try that a few times. And pull, pull, turn. Notice how my body is going. Turn, okay? Try that a few times. Turn. So it's pull once, pull twice, and then turn. Now you want to do it to the opposite side, so you turn like this. You want to go with your right arm like this, and then you want to say the same to the other side, okay? So watch how I do it. This is end of midsection 3. I go wa, wa, a, and wa, wa, a. Try that a few times. Actually, let me explain the timing before we start practicing. So, timing wise, it goes game for 2, then it goes beat, beat, you may hate me, but, okay, so that's what we're doing. So this is on beat, beat, you may hate me, but, okay, just watch. I'm just gonna show it one more time. Game for 2, boom, boom, you may hate me, but. Okay, let's just practice. I'm gonna sing just another player in a game for 2, and then it goes doom, doom, you mean me, but. Okay? Just another player in a game of 2, and doom, doom, you may hate me, but. Let's try that again. Just another player in a game for 2, and doom, doom, you may hate me, buddy. Alright guys, I think it's time to do it all the way from the top. So minutes 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me show you a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, from this is up. Goes like this. It ain't no lie, doom, doom. I wanna see out that door. Ba, 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 ba. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game for 2. And boom, boom, you may hate me, buddy. Alright, I'm gonna sing It Ain't No Lie, and then we're gonna start on. Ready? It ain't no lie, ding, ding. I wanna see out that door. Bye, 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 bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game for 2. And boom, boom, you may hate me, buddy. Now, if there was a specific transition or move that you're still struggling with, just pause the video and practice that a million times and then continue afterwards. All right, let's just do the whole bit again. So I'm gonna sing It Ain't No Lie and then we're gonna start. Ready? It ain't no lie, ding, ding. I wanna see rock that door. Ba, 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 ba. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game for 2. And bam, bam, you may hate me, buddy. Alright, mini section 5. Let me show you a quick preview. So right after we're done, we want to go ta, 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 ba, ba, ba. Let me explain. So, you just did wah, wah, wah. From here, you want to just jump 3 times, and then you want to go 1, 2, 3 at the same time. So you're going 1, 2, 3. Notice I'm turning slightly, looking at my right corner here-ish. So 1, 2, 3, and then you want to jump out on both legs like this, and go ba, ba, ba. Okay? Let me just recap here. So we did pull, pull, pull. We want to go 1, 2, 3, and ba, ba, ba. Now, timing wise, it goes, it ain't no lie. Hate me, but it ain't no lie. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, that's a cue. So, hate me, but it ain't no lie. Ba, ba, ba. Alright, let's practice, guys. I think it would be easy if we took the bit before so we get the transition as well. So we're gonna go, hate me, but it ain't no lie. Ba, ba, ba. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hate me, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Try that again. Hate me, but 5, 6, 7, 8. Hate me, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Now, the final mini section, let me just show you a quick preview. It's basically just the same moves as mini section 5, but I'm gonna show you how it is in mini section 6. So, mini section from 5 ended with 5, 5, 5. Mini section 6 goes boom, 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 Okay, let me explain. Now there's a simple version and a more advanced version. I'm just going to show you the simple version to start with. We just did bye bye bye. Now we want to go 3 jumps this way and then nod, nod, nod. And then 3 jumps this way, nod, nod, nod. 3 jumps this way, nod, nod, nod. 3 jumps this way. And then you say jump out and go ba, ba, ba. Just like we did in mini section 5. Okay? Now let me show the advanced version. The advanced version is basically doing this whack, whack, whack jump. So I'm doing knees out when I'm up in the air and then knees in when I'm down. So look at this. Whack, whack. That's 1 jump. And I want to do 3 of those. That's the advanced version. And as soon as you land, instead of just going whack, 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 you want to go body roll, where you start from your bend, and then your knees, hip, chest, and then hip, hip, hip. Let me show you the advanced version now. So you want to go wah, 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 a, a. That's the advanced version. And then you do the same. So this time, wah, this time, wah, this time, wah, and then ba, ba, ba. Okay guys, let's do the timing. Just choose whatever version you want to go with. I'm just going to do the simple one. So the timing goes, this was end of mini section 5. Ba, 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 boom, boom, na, 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 na. I just want to tell you that I had enough. Boom, boom, might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie. Ba, ba, ba. All right, let's practice. I'm going to count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to go ba, ba, ba. And then we start. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Doom, doom, might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, 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 ba. Na, 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 na. I just wanna tell you that na, na, na. Boom, boom, might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie. Ba, ba, ba. Okay guys, time to do it all the way from the tip to top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Okay, full dance recap. Let's see if we remember. It ain't no lie, dum, dum. I wanna see out that door. Bye, 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 bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game for 2. Boom, boom, you may hate me, but ain't no lie. Ba, 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 ba. Da, na, 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 na. Da, na, 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 na. Doom, doom, might sound crazy, but ain't no lie. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, let's practice. I'm gonna count us in. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna sing "It Ain't No Lie," and then we'll start. 5, 6, 7, 8. It ain't no lie. Dum, dum. I wanna see you out that door. Bye, 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 bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game for 2. Ding, ding. hate me, but it ain't no lie. Ba 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 ba. I just wanna tell you that might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Okay, let's try that slightly faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. It ain't no lie. I wanna see you out that door. Bye, 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 bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game too. And I zoom, zoom. You may hate me, but it ain't no lie. Ba 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 ba. Da na 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 na. I just wanna tell you that na. Zoom, zoom. Might sound crazy, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Alright, guys. Like we said before, practice at your own pace if you need to. I'm just gonna do it one last time to the normal tempo. It goes like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. It ain't no lie. I wanna see round that door. Bye, 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 bye. Don't wanna be a fool for you. Just another player in your game for two. Zoom, zoom. You may hate me, but it ain't no lie. Bye, 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 bye. I just wanna tell you that I had enough. Zoom, zoom. I'm not crazy, but it ain't no lie. Bye, bye, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.